Alright friends, in this lesson we will learn about nested if structure in Python programming. So what is nested if? A nested if, when you place if-else statement inside another if block. So instead of using if-else block, we use if-else block, but inside one if or else block, we use another if block. So why do we use it? We use nested if statements when we need to make more detailed or multi-level decisions. What we did our previous lesson, the number is greater than 0 or negative number. So let's modify it. I remove elif block. Here I just have if and else block. So I am checking number is greater than or equal to 0. And else, in else statement, number is negative, right? Yes. The number is not 0, is not positive, so it could be negative. Else block runs correctly. Super. So we need to add some code inside these if blocks. What I need to check, the number is equal to 0 or the number is positive. I need to check inside the if blocks. So here inside the if block, I need to be careful about indentation too. I'm writing if block. I'm checking number is 0. If number is 0, I will print the number is 0. Super. So be careful about indentation. You see I'm printing and I give a space, I give a space that equal to the top here. You see, if this print function could be there, it doesn't work. We need to give a space that equal to the top. So what's our another option? It could be positive. So here I'm writing my else block, and then in else block I need to write this. The number is positive. I just remove white spaces. So let's examine a little bit. What's my first condition? The first condition is number is greater than or equal to 0. If it is, I will do some work. If it is not, you see the number is negative. It's correct. Super. If the number is greater than or equal to 0, I need to check the number is 0 or the number is positive. For that, I open if else block again. In if block, I am checking number is equal to 0. If it is, I print the number is 0. If it is not, you see the number is positive. In else blocks, I run number is positive. So let's run it. I enter a number, for example 10. You see the number is positive. Here this block runs. I run it again. I enter a number, for example 0. You see this code block runs. The number is 0. I run it again. I type -5. So the number is negative. You see it directly going to the else blocks. Super. I hope you understand everything. So see you in the next lesson.